Hello everyone, thanks for joining us here at Earning with Bits. Today let's earn some free ton coins so we can buy Telegram stars. Like usual, get started by signing up with your C-Wallet or Faucet Pay email. After you log in, you will see your dashboard on the left. Your main balance is next to the dashboard with the Withdrawal button directly below it. Let's start earning by selecting Faucet on your dashboard and choosing Timer Faucet. Solve the CAPTCHA and collect your coins. Great! While you're waiting for the timer to reload, go back to your dashboard and click on View Ads. Choose Surf Ads and select one of the links. Watch the ad until the timer runs out. Solve the CAPTCHA and collect your reward. When you're done watching the surf and window ads, you can instantly withdraw your ton coins to your Faucet Pay wallet. Select Withdraw under your balance on the dashboard and choose the coin you want to withdraw. Once you're done, go to your Faucet Pay account to make sure your coins have been deposited. As you can see, your coins have instantly been paid to your account. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.